Okay, so I'm back. So I decided today to do a twist out. So normally I do wash and goes. They really not wash and goes. They like more like wash, shampoo, conditioner, stretch, dry, then go. But anyways, I decided to do a twist out. So this will be my first time doing the twist out on my hair. I think that I am type 4C or C, like B, for a 4. Girl, I don't know. It's a 4 something. Like, I tried to do the quiz. I know back here it's like a 4 something. Up here at the top it's probably like a 3 something. If y'all know what type this is, comment down below, because I don't know how y'all be doing, like how y'all be doing like your curl texture and all that. I'm not a cosmetologist. I'm new to this natural hair game. I've been natural for about 2 years now, so I'm still learning. I just recently found the products that work for my hair. Like I said, I think that I am a type 4. Yeah, because like with my texture ID, it has like the oh, can y'all see that? So that's what it has. So I think I'm right here, 4, because my curls are really tight and the shrinkage is very real with my hair. So I haven't straightened my hair, so I don't know how long it is, but like, look at it right here, and this is just like the curls. So I can just imagine what it's like when it's flat iron, but I have not flat ironed. Anyway, that's enough of all that. So what the products that I'm going to use, because these are the products that work for my hair. Like I said, I'm not a cosmetologist, so you know, with natural hair, you have to, you know, oh, I got hair out of my mouth. You gotta play it by ear. You gotta figure out what works for your hair, because what works for my hair might not work for your hair, might not work for her hair, might not work for his hair. So that's the thing about being natural. You have to play around and see what works for you, boo. And yes, I know that I have not been doing makeup videos. I got a whole acne situation over here from those masks due to the corona, aka Rona. So I haven't really been able to do a lot of makeup videos, because I just feel like, how I'm gonna do a makeup video with this over here? Like, y'all gonna be like, girl, how you trying to teach us how to do makeup or apply makeup in your face bumpy like you 15? But that's neither here nor there. I'm thinking about doing a skincare routine. If you would like to see a skincare routine from me, comment down below and let me know, and I do it, because my acne has gotten better. It was really worse at first when it first started. I was very sad about it, but it is what it is now. Okay, let's get started. That's enough talking. So these are the products that I'm going to use for my hair. This right here is Bay. This is Bay. You know, and the good thing about Bay, she only $5. $5, you know. And Moist Miracle by African Pride. Girl, why I was calling this Miracle Moist? I did not know the name. But yeah, this is Bay. So I'm going to use this. I'm kind of running low on her. If you can see, we're going to make it work though. Also, this is my side chick right here. This is the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. This works because with my hair dries out really fast. So I use this water. It's water with oil. So it doesn't have my hair just dry like how just using just regular water would be. So this is Bay. Well, this side cheek. This is side cheek. Okay, but this right here, this wifey. Like I need her. I need it. Because with this gets my curls popping. So yes, this is it. This is my husband. We married. Love you. Okay, so then the next thing I'm gonna use is my gel. I don't know if I need gel. I'm gonna start off trying to use it, but I don't know if I need it. And just let your soul glow. Yeah, that's curl. So starting off, I'm going to, I am so rough. I am going to, I'm just gonna see y'all. I don't know. So this video might be for giggles. It might be for giggles. I don't know if I want to do big twists, little twists, medium-sized twists. At this point, I don't know. Hold on, let me go get my clamp. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I got my clamp on one side. Just gonna take this piece right here. Another clamp on this side. And I'm not gonna do my whole head because I do not want this to be a long video. So I'm just gonna do a little section and go from there. My hair is kind of dry already, so I want to just spray it with my water mixed with Jamaican black castor oil. I'm gonna spray it a little bit. Okay. I want to go and detangle. The good thing about my hair is that it doesn't tangle real bad, so that's the good thing about it. Bam. Okay. So the next thing I want to use conditioner. I should have just sprayed it all on my whole head instead of just doing one piece at a time. But oh well, y'all. So right now I'm using my Texture ID, my intense moisturizing leave-in conditioner. Just getting that all on there. Make sure you focus on your ends because your ends are the oldest part of your hair. So make sure you want to focus on that. I'm gonna open up my leave-in just a little bit because I'm trying to make it stretch since I don't have a lot. Put that on there. Get it all up in there like that. And what else should I use? Let's use my Taliah Waajid, my curl definer by Taliah. So just gonna use a little bit because this stuff is really thick. Put it on here. And let's twist. So it's just a 2-strand twist. So take your hair down the middle. Voila. And just twist. This is gonna take forever today because I have a big head. So, and also with the videos, because I was up last night watching videos on YouTube, and I noticed that a lot of people said they let their twist sit for like 2 days, and then they, you know, so then at the end, okay, look at this, the end, I'm just gonna twist it with my fingers. You can see that, and bam. That's a twist, y'all. That's a twist. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh, yeah. So, let's do another one. I don't want them to be too little. Because, like I said, I already have a big head. And I don't want to be all day doing this. So, go back in with my water. Spray. And my good old brush, detangle. Starting from the end, I always like go up, detangling, because you don't want to, you know, take your hair out trying to detangle. Okay. Oh, look at that twist, y'all. It looks so juicy. Anyway, so I want to use a little bit of my leave-in. Put that on there. Those ends. I'm gonna use my Texture ID. Spray my hair with that. Then I'm gonna use my Taliah just a little bit. Get those roots, because I notice like my hair is always dry at the roots. Get those ends too, like that. Section it in 2 sections like that, and then just twist. And you don't want to, what they call it, bar hair, like when you twisting, just use those 2 strands. Don't try to take from 1 strand and add 2. Don't do that because you'll tangle your hair up. So, way down. And the end part, take it with your finger, twist it like that. Bam! That's 2 twists, baby. Great. Okay, y'all, but I'm done with my twist. It took about 30 minutes and some change. So, show you the back right quick. This is what the back is looking like. And yeah, so I don't know how much that is for work tomorrow. Maybe like this or something. I don't know. But yeah, this is what they're looking like. They're very juicy. And they thick. She's thick with it. So yeah. You can see that. Okay. So I guess I'll leave these up for a couple of days. So I'm gonna get some oil. Put some oil on my hand. And I'm just gonna start twisting them. So start at the root. This is just 2 strand twists, so hopefully my hair is not tangled from it. Okay. There's one. Okay. Oh, I made that one freezing. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. That's all I'm doing is just taking it. And that's it. So I'm gonna finish twisting it, well, untwisting it, and then I'll come back after work and show you what it looks like. How did it hold up the entire day? And then we're gonna wrap this video up. So this is my first time doing twist, 2-strand twist on my hair. Well, I did it once before, but I did like the really small ones, and I wasn't like 100% natural. I still had relaxed hair. So I'm curious to see how it's gonna look since I'm like 100%, natural now. So we gonna see. This is what it's looking like. I'm trying to make sure I get all these twists, y'all. And then you're gonna take each twist and do it like this. Then you're gonna pick it out. So I'll be back. The back, side. Okay, so like I said, I did the 2-strand twist method. This is not a wash and go. I left the twist up for 3 days. Now, in all the YouTube videos that I watch, most people left their twist up for 2. I was lazy. I decided to do 3. So this morning, like I showed you in the previous clip, I decided to, undo the twist, and this is what it looks like. I love it. Do I love it more than the wash and go? I don't know. But this was kind of easier than the wash and go, in my opinion. You know, the wash and goes. Wash and goes are a lot of work. I don't know why they call them wash and goes, because you cannot wash and go. I don't specialize in hair. Makeup, I can put you on game. Hair, no. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And next week will be a makeup video. I know I haven't done a makeup video in so long, so I might hit y'all with 2. But don't hold me to it. So, yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Love you.